Welcome to Unlimited Ideas, your go destination for all things 3D printing and laser engraving. I am Sam, and today I want to talk about Filament. In the internet, I was looking for the filaments, and I found this type of filament in the internet. Also, I bought them from Amazon. The brand name is YOUSU. The feature for this filament, it is and they can glow in the dark. Another feature they have, they are not they are colorful, and they can absorb some light and glow in the dark. I got this package because there are 4 colors. There are 4 sample colors that we can decide which one is better for our future usage. And each of them, there are 250 grams. In the package, we have 4. Let me to take them out first. And color they have, it's sort of black with glitter in it. And does it have any name? Gold 3D fake glitter black. And the next one, again, it is blackish and also is translucent. It's called Galaxy Black. And this one, it is a blue purplish and color with the glitter. It's called a black color shift. And the last one, it is almost greenish with the glitter, golden glitter. It's called glow in dark green starry. Now, if we get me to use the UV light, it's faster. I don't know if I can show you in the camera or not. This glitter one, they are glowing under the UV lights, and if I turn it off, it still is glowing. Also, is the same for this one. I can't see any changes in this one. This is the black shift. It is glowing, but not as much as the other one. How about this one? This is Galaxy Black. It's glowing a little bit, but not as much as the first one. And the last one, glitter gold black. In this one, glitters are glowing. I'm going to print some object, and then we can test them in the dark to see how they work. Also, another thing I need to mention, and they suggested to use nozzle 0.6 millimeter. Based on this glitter, we can see inside the filament we should have something bigger. Also, I need to add to use hardened steel or something harder, and because this type of glowing material, they are eating the nozzle very fast. If you are using a normal nozzle, the brass one, it's going to eat them up very fast. It's better to use hardened steel or something harder. Let me to print some objects, and then we can continue. I printed some ways and some other objects for experiment, and they turns out very well, and I like the color and the shimmers. However, I like the glowing one the most because they are glowing in the dark, and I think they are perfect for the Halloween time. And maybe we can have some idea with these. If you have any suggestion, please let me know in the comment. If we take a look at the filaments, they extruded they extruded a colorful filament at the middle of the filament, and around it has a clear filament with some glitters. And I found the picture. It shows how they achieve this this effect. Hopefully we can see more of these filaments and new texture or shape. Let me turn off the light and show you how is the glowing one under the UV light. And by the way, between these four filaments, just one of them is glowing, and the rest of them, they are just filament with the glitter or shimmers. And this picture you see in the real world, but I see it's lighter than the one it's in the video. However, when you see them, they are very mesmerizing. I love the texture and the shape of the glowing one. Just in this video, I wanted to show you how they are. If you like to purchase it and decide which color or which shape you like. Thank you for watching this video, and please let me know if you have any suggestion in the comment. Thank you so much for watching.